While preparing for NEET and going through your books, notes or PDF file, if you don't recall the definition or key formula of a concept, say in this case mechanical energy, you would definitely feel a bit sad, a bit frustrated, and begin to lose confidence. While you prepare with Career Orbit's smart study notes, nothing to worry. We have highlighted all the important concepts for you in blue color. Just carry mouse over that blue color term. In the first stage, the definition and key formula of that concept pops up. If you are able to recall that concept, then it is excellent. You have achieved your learning much quicker. What if you still don't recall the concept or want to study in detail? No worries. Click on Read More. You get detailed study note of that concept right there with illustrations in a blink. And the most interesting part, within the study note of this concept, again you get other concepts highlighted in blue color. You can learn and revise the concepts on need basis in the same manner. You never feel lost. This interactivity in study notes accelerates your learning process multiple times. This helps you learn and revise much faster and build your confidence. You can selectively learn or revise only those concepts which you need to, not all. Revise quickly in a moment and save a lot of your precious time. This kind of interactivity, the selective learning, you can't get in any books, videos, or any other online courses. You might be having tons of books, coaching material and videos, but do you have time to go through all that? Even if you go through all that material once, do you think you would have time to revise it at all? What if you could get all that material from tons of books at one place, in short, compact form, no need to spend time in extra books and no hassle of making notes so that you can prepare and revise quickly? Our team of experienced IITians, doctors, professors and researchers has done all that hard work for you already so that you don't end up doing all that hard work. You get all that important concepts and all that extra material from best of the books which you need to crack your NEET entrance test in these study notes. No need to refer any additional books apart from your school textbooks or NCERT books. These study notes are short so that you can prepare or revise a chapter in 2 to 6 hours. These study notes are best suited if you are self-studying, preparing at home. If you have joined coaching classes or video lectures or online classes, you can't afford to miss these study notes because you are already so short on time, and in either case, you would still need to do self-study at home and revise chapters often. These compact, power-packed and interactive study notes help you prepare and revise much faster, at least 5 times faster. You can read these study notes in sync with your own study plan without any conflict. Often students face a situation of conflict and confusion because in the school, one chapter is being taught and the other chapter is being taught in the coaching. These study notes are available to you 24/7 so that you can prepare at your preferred time. All these study notes are 100% online and available to you all the time. Whenever you wish to study from these study notes, just log into your account from any smartphone, tablet, computer or laptop and start studying. I am sure you would have thoroughly understood how you can save your precious time with Career Orbit's power-packed study notes, how fast you can prepare, and that too with confidence and without any conflict or confusion. Take a free trial of a course now and start preparing.